What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today we are back for day number 8 of Vlogmas, and I am unboxing this 12 Days of Beauty by Target Beauty box advent calendar. And so we are going in today, not wasting any time. We're going to open panel number 8 right here and see what kind of goody, wonderful surprise is hiding behind door number 8. Ooh, I recognize this packaging, I do. All of Sherry's Vlogmas is her fighting to get the products out of the advent calendar. This is a Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Tonic. Okay, I have a Pixie Glow Mist, so this is probably part of the same line, and I love this, so cool beans. It says it gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types and alcohol free. A glow tonic, an exfoliating toner. So I like the thought of that. I really do. I've actually been really curious and interested in liquid or chemical exfoliators rather than physical exfoliators. I would think they would maybe be more gentle on the skin because you're not like actually scrubbing with something abrasive your dead skin cells off, but maybe something is assisting in that. So let's get in here and smell this. I don't know why I get the feeling it's going to smell like roses. I'm going to have to open it to see. Here's another package I'm going to fight with. I'm going to poke it. I'm going to poke it with some tweezers. It smells very herbal. I can't identify the smell. It kind of smells like cough medicine. Kind of smells like cough medicine, it does, but that's okay. I'm excited to try this. Making sure I got the lid back on it. I'm excited to try this. So for day 8, we've got a Pixie product, and I do like this brand, and I am familiar with this one. Most of the things that I have gotten in here so far, I didn't even know the brand. I've never even heard of them before. So if you haven't watched the other videos and you want to see what was in the rest of the box, then click up there. I will link the playlist for you so you can go check it out and give my channel some love at the same time. All right, day number 8. That was a good one. So thank you so much for joining me for day number 8. Day number 8 of Vlogmas and the 12 Days of Beauty by Target Beauty. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless and happy Vlogmas. Bye, guys.